Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the famous bubble tea that everyone seems to be enjoying at this moment that has been around for decades now and mainly sold in your local retail shops. And yes, they are delicious. Well, what about making one from home? We came across one from our local supermarket from the makers of Avalanche. But how does it stack up against the real ones? Does it taste the same? Is it worth it? And a step-by-step guide on how to make it. So here it goes. So firstly, in your packet contents, you will get a 5-pack of tapioca bubbles. You will also get a 5-packet of straws and a 5-packet of sachets. So how do we make it? Firstly, grab your tapioca sachets and place it in the mug and cut it at the top. Then place your mug in the microwave for 15 seconds or until the pearls are soft and chewy. Then grab around 50 grams of ice, measure it if you want. Otherwise, it is equivalent to around 6 ice cubes. Now, we need to cool down our hot pearls, so place them in a glass. Put your ice cubes in and give it a quick stir. Place it aside for now. Now measure up 200 ml of water and put it in the glass. Then add your bubble sachet into the glass of water and give it a good stir. Now you can try a shaker for what we think is a better result. Grab your pearls and put them into the glass and give it a good stir again. Now for the taste test. Now my 9-year-old daughter, who loves bubble tea from the shops, at first seemed to like it a lot. But later said it seemed to be missing something, so we tried adding crushed ice, as seen. And she said it seemed to do the job and tasted a lot better. We thought we would experiment a little, so we tried it with adding milk and more crushed ice. And my daughter actually seemed to like it a lot better than the no milk. I had a smart idea and I thought we'd try it with yogurt. And let me just say, it definitely wasn't nice. Now for a separate rating out of 10. So my 9-year-old daughter, as much as her initial taste was yummy, comparing it to the shops, she gave it a 6 out of 10. And as much as she didn't hate it, probably wouldn't buy it again. I myself, as much as I don't really like the tapioca pearls, even the ones from the shops, actually like the drink itself with the extra ice. And I would give it a 7 out of 10. And I would be glad to have it again. So, did it taste the same as the shops? I guess it was a little way off, but in saying that, it wasn't too bad. But maybe someone out there could tweak it a little with a little extra sugar or something extra to get it to taste the same. And for its price range under $10 for 5 drinks, you couldn't really go too wrong. So, there you have it. I'll leave it to you guys to make your own decisions. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching and to watch further future shows on my channel. Take care, guys.